Like I said, enjoy again.
Now, the moment of truth.
Here goes nothing.
Oh man, that looks so cool. We'll win this for sure.
The creeper was definitely the right way to go.
Guys, people are looking at us.
Good build, man.
What? No way.
It's just a bunch of dyed wool.
Whoops. Oh no, Ruben's on fire! Ruben, no, come back! It was Abe.
The lava's getting closer.
It'll ruin the build.